Use code ILROO when registering on Roobet to receive an exclusive welcome bonus of up to $1,400 in cashback. If you already have an account on Roobet, simply click the Redeem button on the left side, enter the code ILROO, and click Redeem. You're all set. The ILROO promo is redeemed. So welcome to Roobet, where your gaming experience just got even better. As a new player, you'll enjoy 20% cash back on all net losses from eligible slot games. The cashback, up to $1,400, will be credited at the end of your first 7 days following your first deposit. Roobet also has a VIP club. Join the industry's most lucrative VIP club, where unrivaled benefits and exclusive perks create an extraordinary gaming experience.